What's good, YouTube? What it is? What's up? So I'm finna prank Jemiah. You already know. Get her back to back, and she over somewhere. I don't know where she at, but I'm finna prank her with this water. I'm acting like I sneezed on, but you know how she is. Ew! What is that? And my water just fell. I'm finna get her good. Make sure y'all comment, subscribe, and share, and make sure y'all like this video because it's finna get down. I'm finna go find her. And I'll be back with y'all. Peace. Okay, y'all, I found her. Hey, Jemiah. So I'm recording right now. Come on, the car. Yeah, she was at her friend's house. So I'm finna drink a little bit of water because I am literally like dying thirsty. So, y'all, this is finna go down. So I'm finna drink some water.
What was that?
I'm sorry. I had to sneeze, like literally.
You just sneezed out. Why are you nasty?
I'm sorry.
Nasty.
I'm sorry, literally.
Why would you just do that? You get on my nerves.
I'm sorry, I just had to. Okay, guess what, Jemiah? It's a prank! She got good. She was nice. She was like, what is this? Y'all.
Too much.
Okay, make sure, come on.
Now y'all get my reaction.
Okay, make sure y'all comment, subscribe, and share this video. But this was funny as heck. I got you. You took the L, didn't you?
What?
You took the L.
Yes.
You lost. I took W. That's what's up. And me, you took the L.
Yes.
Good. Okay, make sure y'all subscribe, comment. Y'all already know what to do. Turn your
That's
notifications
okay.
on.
Next prank don't be with me. Watch, I'm gonna prank her to death.
Peace. See y'all. Peace. Peace.